Jayashree, and my topic is should teenagers be taught financial investment?
Good morning, sir. So competitive exams open doors to many universities, but they also bring a lot of stress and pressure. So there are some positive aspects and negative. So let's firstly look at the positive aspects. Firstly, a student learns discipline and time management while preparing for a competitive exam. Secondly,
In my opinion, yes, teenagers should definitely be taught financial investment. We live in a world where money plays an important role in shaping our lives. Today's teenagers are tomorrow's earners, taxpayers, and decision makers. However, most of us know how to spend money, but very few know how to manage or grow it. Learning about financial investment at a young age makes students understand the value of money, savings, and long term planning. Learning about investments such as stocks, budgeting, account saving doesn't mean encouraging risk. Instead, it promotes financial discipline and responsible decision making in teenagers. Um,
Okay, it's okay.
so that will Moreover, learning about financial investment builds confidence and independence in students. We are already taught subjects like mathematics and economics in our curriculum, so adding basic investment education to our curriculum would make learning more relevant to life. So to conclude, I'd like to say that including financial investment subject in our curriculum or learning about it would prepare us to lead a financially secure future.
Yes, Susan?
so competitive exams are crucial for shaping a student's future, but they also bring pressure and stress to our lives. So I think there are some negative and positive aspects to it. So let's firstly look at the positive aspects. Firstly, when we are preparing for competitive exams, like I myself prepared for many competitive exams, so they teach us discipline and time management. Secondly, they motivate us to aim even higher to achieve more goals. And thirdly, they open doors to many prestigious universities and scholarships. But there are also negative aspects like over focusing on the over focusing on a goal can lead to depression, stress, and many students feel discouraged when they score very low on the exam. It affects their self-confidence. And also, every student is different, so over-emphasizing on competitive exam, they lead to ignoring their creativity, art, sports, and etc. Many abilities they have. So, in my opinion, competitive exams should be encouraged but not forced. A balance should be there, guidance and support from parents, and so that the students can develop academically as well as emotionally.
Okay, please. दो ठीक है वो लिखने में मदद करेगा